Mounting a tire with a mousse insert can be really tricky. It's not difficult at all to damage the tire and make it useless for riding, so there are some tricks that will help you to make it much easier, to use less force and not to harm the tire. With the Rabaconda tire changer, well, with any tire changer, the first rule is to use some kind of tire mounting spray. Here we usually have a bottle with just a soap water. This will dry off later, will not cause any problems. With the Rabaconda tire changer, the first tire iron should go right next to where the rim lock is. Use 3 tire irons to work the way around. And here, about 1/3 in, use 1 tire iron with a straight end. Just stick it here. It should be nicely so that it doesn't go any deeper. Then it's in the correct position. Take a few more bites. And here, put another one with a straight end. And continue with mounting the tire with 2 tire irons. Now those 2 tire irons here will work as sliders. They will help to suck down the tire here into the drop center of the rim, which is really important and critical here to mount the last part of the tire. Now, as I'm getting here, I'm having a lot more tension, and as you can see here, on the opposite side, it slides in. You won't hear any cracking from the tire because it's nicely in the correct position here, deep in the drop center. And for the last part here, it's important to have the tire bead sitting between the rim lock and the rim. So the rim lock should be pushed in, and the tire should move nicely between where it should be. I hope this helps. Keep your tires in good condition and safe riding.